Ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed, good morning and good afternoon.
It's really a pleasure to be opening this webinar. I was just mentioning that this is the third event that the OECD is co-organizing with the Financial Service Commission of Mauritius through their Regional Center of Excellence, and so it's really a pleasure to be able to do that. We've learned a lot from the experience in the region and in Mauritius at the OECD, and we are always very happy to share our experience as well as other international guests.
Good morning and good afternoon to speakers as well as participants of this workshop. Today we have on record about 360 participants to this workshop from 43 different countries, and this is testimony to the growing popularity and importance of workshops organized by the FSC Regional Center of Excellence, or RCE in short. So with these words, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to wish you a very fruitful deliberation ahead, and thank you for your attention.
Welcome to today's event on enhancing the role of insurance in protecting and providing financial protection. Mr. Timothy Bishop is the head of the insurance unit at the OECD Directorate for Financial and Enterprise Affairs.
If you look at the publication that we put out in 2018, there's an extensive discussion of this issue. I guess the way I see it is regulation is development of policies and norms and standards for the insurance sector.
The presentation is on corporate governance for insurers, on the key control functions, which include, as you can see on the slide, the risk management function, the compliance function.
From all over the world. I mean, if you think, I know the Christchurch earthquake about 10 years ago in New Zealand, about 90% of the reinsurance was paid out of Bermuda.
And so the flow of the presentation will really cover some of these insurtech trends within the context of overall fintech trends. Then we'll quickly go through a case study that just exemplifies the type of insurance innovation we're seeing. Then we'll provide a perspective of some of the voice of the customer insights around why consumers are inclined.
So thank you very much for the opportunity to be part of this discussion. I think it'll be a very interesting discussion, and we have a couple of great speakers after me that will talk about some of their experience and knowledge about these kinds of issues.
I will propose you to talk about the Algerian insurance NatCat on over 4 points. First of all, we discussed about the principal natural risks in Algeria.
So if you think about response, recovery and reconstruction, these are products designed to finance response. Recovery will need to come from other kinds of debt type products.
Thank you all speakers for the excellent presentation and constructive discussion.